Shangri-La Hotel, Hangzhou. 5 stars. Standing on the beautiful shore of Hangzhou's West Lake, the luxurious Shangri-La Hotel occupies 40 acres of rolling hills and lush greenery. It offers 5 dining options, an indoor pool and outdoor tennis courts. Free in-room internet is available. Location was close to main attraction. Friendly staff. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The hotel is within walking distance to the stage for the show Impression West Lake. This is highly recommended. The reception is warm. Next to West Lake and good view. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.